Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your energies for the middle of the month. Okay, so let's see what are the guidance messages for you in the mid-month of May 2021. Energy check for my Leos, mid of May 2021. What is going on with my Leos in the middle of the month, please? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And if it does resonate with you, please do like my video below. And let's see now what is going on with my Leos. So I'm going to see your past, present and future energies over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Tower. Okay, so you might be suffering, you might be going through a sudden change in your life, sudden loss you might have experienced around you, and you are going through that turmoil incident in your life, and this might have shaken up, it might be because your current energies are also really, this might be a heartbreak, this might be something in relation with your love life, something in relation with your work life, anything, and this is a disaster. It is something like what has happened all of a sudden. Alright, so your past energies are Two of Wands, Wheel of Fortune and Knight of Rods. Okay, so you were in the middle of two things in the past, and you might have had to take some decision making. You might have chosen one thing out of these two. You might have chosen one wand out of the two things, one path towards something. But it seems to you that first you might have chosen one thing. It seems to you that that it is fine, I have taken the good choice, but something went wrong after taking that decision. Something didn't go right. I feel that this might be a decision making in terms of someone new. Like it might be you, might be your other person as well, because strong Sagittarius, Aries energies as well along with Leo. So this might be your person or some other person around you who might have taken a choice. There might be a decision making for in front of two people, and a person made a choice between you and the other person. So there might be a third party situation, because I feel it. There is something related with third party situation over here. So in the present we have Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Cups and the Three of Swords. So you were really working hard. Well, you were literally busy. I feel that you were busy busy in your business, busy in your work. So you couldn't see what was happening back then, and all of a sudden you found that big shock. You got the big shock of your life, and you actually didn't expect any of this thing, because you had an intuition though, because since the Queen of Cups is also here, so it was like you really knew something is fishy over here, you knew something is going on over here, but you were not sure. Sometimes we do not trust our instincts, and you didn't trust it either. So things happened the way you didn't imagine. Okay, so in the future the cards are the Fool, Five of Swords and the Four of Wands. So whatever happened, you might have not even got the reason why this thing has happened. You are still searching for those answers, because the one thing which is coming up is the betrayal in the coming future. Somebody might have taken a decision, and it's just like, because the Fool, he is a risk taker, he is like new beginnings, I'm just happy with whatever is happening in my life. This is like a decision made without a planning. Okay, so I think this is your person, this is somebody around you who has taken this kind of a decision without even planning it. Decision who made by somebody who, it's like not even thinking what will be the consequences after taking this decision, because with the Knight of Wands, it's a temporary situation in your life. And in the coming future, this you might even get to know the betrayal thing. You might get to know why the environment got so polluted, why the environment got so negative around you. You will get the answers, whatever you desire. Let's see for my Leos. Let's clarify now what is there for my Leos. Why the Tower is here in my past energies? Why the Tower card is here for my Leos in the overall energy? The High Priestess, yes, the best thing which anyone can get at this time. You knew it. You know, this is the situation where you knew why and what was happening. You had a strong intuition. With the Queen of Cups and the High Priestess, I wouldn't say that you didn't know. You knew it. You were, although you were busy, you were already busy, or you were working for this situation. You were already working for this connection, for this relationship, whatever this was. You were already working for it, but it didn't sustain. You couldn't just make things work your way. It always has to be, you know, it needs to be worked both, either ways. Let's see what is there in the past energies. Two of Wands with the Wheel of Fortune and Knight of Wands. What is there for my Leos in the past? Why are these cards here? Queen of Swords, and I would take one more card with the Five of Pentacles. Yes, you were already betrayed. It seems to me like somebody already left you out in cold. Somebody already chose some other field, you know, chose some other direction. It can be somebody new, some other person in your person's life, third person, and that is why this person just left you and went towards that person. And for you, it seems to me that it was never you for them. Well, it's raining over here. Okay. Let's see what is there. Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Cups and Three of Swords. It's raining really heavy all of a sudden. The Chariot. So more Cancer energies we have. So we have Cancer energies a lot here. So you are already, I know that you are in that state where you are feeling like it's a disaster to you, you know, things went really bad for you, but you cannot stop. You have that energy of still moving on in your life. You are not ready to stop here. You are there, you are going to work, you are working fine at home, you are doing everything, you are feeling emotional as well, but you cannot stop for the things, and you are not stopping with the person as well. You are not leaving this person just like that. Okay, you are coming and you are going. What is this? You know, this, what kind of bullshit, what kind of crap is this? So you are not that person who will just wait, you will just let this person go away so smoothly. No, you are not letting this person go away very easily. Okay, yeah, see, you are hanging up with this person. You are literally, no, it's like, I am there, I am waiting, I am doing everything around me, and I am not letting you go just like that. You are very strong in this, Leo. Well, Leos are already very strong personality. The Fool, Five of Swords and the Four of Wands in the coming future. What is there? Fool with Fool, clarification. Yeah. Let me clarify more. Sorry. I'm not going to take these cards. Alright. Queen of Wands. See, more Leo energy is here. So yes, I don't see that you are going to take your stand, Leos. Yes, in the coming future as well, this person, whosoever this is, will see something good, you know. if this person, if there is a betrayal by somebody else, they are going to actually see the real Leo face, because it's like, I am standing on my grounds, I am a Leo, I am the Queen of Wands, you know, the party starts when I walk in. So how can you just leave me like this, or how can somebody, you know, can just betray me all of a sudden? If you are negative, I'm more negative, I can be a bitch as well. If you see the good side of mine, now just be prepared to see the bad side of me as well. So you are preparing yourself to show some people some good time. That's Leo. Yeah, very strong energies, and I am really happy to see that Leo energy in you. Finally, Leo again, you know, that Linus energy. Very good. Okay, so that is all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.